Hey guys, it's the A Sisters, and today we're back with a new video. And today we'll be making some really nice jewelry, and it's by the company Couture. So let's get started.
So let's open it.
Teamwork. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. So it's really cute, so let's see what's inside.
Whoa. Oh, I like that.
So it has a really cute ribbon in it. There's like black, pink, and clear. Then they have some gold charms. Then they have, keychains, right? Okay, anyways. And then they have 7 charms here. And my favorite's this heart one. And then they have some really cute beads right here. So there's pink, white, and gold.
There's gold?
Yeah.
Wait. It is gold.
Okay, so what part do you want? So what type of ribbon? We're going to start off with ribbon. Do you want black, pink, or clear?
What do you think?
I think I'm going to get black.
I would get black, yeah.
Okay. So, okay, I'll do it. Okay. A lot of twisting. So, okay.
There's only one. Oh, I thought there was only one black.
This is for like a necklace or something. I mean, a bracelet. Oh. So do you want a bracelet or a necklace?
A bracelet.
A black bracelet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here. And I'll do a necklace. Okay, so
how are you supposed to tie these?
What charm do you want? I'm getting this one.
Oh, okay. I'm going to get... Is there any BFF charms? One that says BFF?
No, I wanted one that had like 2 of these and all that, so I could put them together.
Don't you put that in there?
Yep.
Okay. Do you put this in? You put almost everything. Wait.
I just have to know how to get this.
Oh, no, that's fine. Okay. I'm going to put this... Should I put this key?
Do you like unlock it by like pressing this?
Okay. Let me see.
So
I'm either going to do...
I'll have to...
Okay. I'm either going to do the key. I don't know. Oh, is this like a little baton?
Oh, that's so cute.
How come it just has like a little baton?
Because
no,
we do
is
baton,
baton
class.
Is this baton?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
That's so cool, actually. I'm not going to do this one. The star that has, I think that's my sign. Nope.
So you're supposed to press this.
Nope.
I think.
Nope. But I still have 2 that I can't figure. Which one should I do?
Let's see.
Which one should I do?
The baton.
Really? I want to do the key though. Which one should I do?
The key.
Which one should I do? The key or the baton? Mom, which one should I do? The key or the baton?
Okay, this part.
This one has a crown on it. But this one has a... Should I bring this because it represents me?
Whatever. Could you do more than one? 2? Okay.
Can I do 2?
Sure. It makes 7, so you could at least do like 3.
Okay. Then I'm doing these 2. But aren't you supposed to put these beads too? Wait, what are these?
Those are like chains.
Oh. Okay. So it says to put the what do you put first?
So apparently you open this, and now you're not telling me how you opened it exactly.
Yeah. Here, I'll do it. You have to open from this side. Sorry, my eyes are not that awesome. It's okay. There.
Yep. How'd you just get that open? Wait.
That's the open
side.
side.
I was opening it by the
Back.
the hinge thing. you know. Oh, so it's like a magnet. I'm like, how do you open this? Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, I'm actually not going to do the key.
So can we start making it? So here are the instructions, which we read earlier. And if we need help, we'll go back to there. So, and I closed it again. What are you doing?
Favorite color.
Oh, yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Okay, anyways, after we finally open this stuff up, we're gonna add our ribbon and our decorations and our beads. So, do you have the one you're doing? You're doing baton? Okay, so here you go. And yeah.
So do I just put this or do I put beads first? How do I put this?
You put that first, and then you put the beads on the other side.
How do I put this on?
On either side. You have to like ravel it and like you don't?
I did this much, and now what?
And these are the things we made. So basically I made this really cute necklace. And there's like glitters in it, so it's super cute. And what did you make?
Did you make two?
Yeah, but can I see yours?
Okay, you go first.
Oh, okay.
No, actually, I want to go first. Okay. So, well, she was making that one. I was making this one. And it took a long time.
Yeah.
It has white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, so on and so on with white and pink. And then it stops and it has a little cute black flower.
In the middle.
And then yeah, in the middle. And then it goes white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, so on and so on.
Yeah, so mine's kind of like that too. There's like a little black rose in the middle. I didn't fill it up all the way, as you could see. And that's just because there weren't enough beads. Like it only came with like, it didn't come with enough white. It just came with more pink than white. So anyways, I didn't fully finish it. Like my sister used most of them. But anyways, yeah. But I was able to make a necklace and this. So I'll show you close-ups. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and make sure if you like this video to like, and to watch more of our videos, make sure you go subscribe and turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever we post a new video. So comment down any video ideas you want us to do in our next video. So bye for now.
See you next time.